What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I have a video for you on this app called Shopkick. All right, and the link to it will be in the description. And if you've been watching videos I've done on my channel, you know I make a lot of videos about how to make money with your receipts. And this is an app that you're going to get paid to do different things while you're in the store. And really, you don't even have to buy anything. You know, so I'm going to show you how you can get paid to basically scan different items in the grocery store without even, buying them. All you got to do is find the item, scan the barcode with this app, and you'll get credited. And you can use those credits to, cash out with PayPal or get other different gift cards. But on top of that, if you actually buy some of these items, you can get even more, and you can still cash out. And I'm gonna show you all that, but it's really a cool app. I've been using it for a while. So basically what it is you're going to once you download the app, it'll show you all the places in your area that you're close to that actually has places that you can go to and scan different items. Right, like say for instance Aldi is like a grocery store, a Walgreens, a pharmacy, Sam's Club, Family Dollar, Walmart, different places I can go into and scan things. All right, Kroger. Now Walmart is pretty popular. Most people know Walmart is, so I'm gonna use that one. All right. So you see here, walk in, 10 kicks. I basically, if I use this, all I gotta do is walk into Walmart and I get 10 kicks. If you have your location on, it'll determine that you walked in there, so it automatically give you 10 points or whatever. But if you don't have it on, you can just open the app as soon as you walk in, or while you're in the store, or even close to the store. Open the app, you'll get 10 kicks. All right. Now you see here, 1490. 1,490 kicks. That's just basically from items you can just scan. And then if you buy these items, you can get these 31,295 kicks with your receipt. So I'm going to show you the scan first, because this is how you're going to make most of your money. Now with the scans, you do not have to buy the item. All you got to do is find these items, scan the barcode. Now they split it up in sections like beauty and personal care, bundles, magazines, household essentials. So you see where I'm going? So say for instance, I'm in breakfast and snacks. So all I gotta do is find this cereal, scan it, and I get 25 kicks. Now if I buy that, I'll get 250 kicks. Now the thing is, you can buy it and you can scan it. So really you can get 275 kicks if you scan it and buy it. And the same thing with all these items. They'll show you the barcode. That's how many points you just get for scanning it. And with the receipt and the number next to it, that's how many you get for buying it. All right. So all you have to do is go to the store, find these different items, scan it, and you'll get credited. Simple as that. Now, I really can't show you how to do it because I'm currently not at this store, but it's very simple. All you got to do is click on the item like this. You'll click scan. Then your little camera thing will come up. You scan it to the barcode. You're instantly credited 25 kicks or whatever it's giving you for that particular item. So very, very simple app to use. Like I said, all you got to do is find a store that's in your area. You know what I'm saying? Your list will be different from mine depending on where you are. You go in there, some stores like this Kroger, you can get paid for walking in. TJ Maxx, I can get paid 75 kicks for walking in. Some of you can pay for walking in, some of you can't. But all of them have items in different amounts for just scanning barcodes. And of course, buying the items, you can get more as well. But I mean, it's a very easy app for when you're just going grocery shopping, when you're in the store anyway. You know what I'm saying? Just go in there and, you buying stuff anyway. Might as well scan some barcodes while you're in there and even make more money. Because when you're using this app, you can use it for gift cards to make your groceries cheaper. So when I'm making a grocery list, some things I like to do is kind of go in here and see, okay, what can I buy that's actually going to, get me some kicks on this app. So like if I'm going grocery shopping in Walmart, I'll say, okay, I need some cereal. Let me go, find one of these cereals and buy them, and I get 800 kicks, and scan the barcode, get 20 more kicks. So, I mean, that's basically how you can use it. Show you my balance real quick. I have 2,840 kicks. Now I'm going to cash that out. I'm going to show you what you can cash out with. Now my goal has been a $10 PayPal, but you can see here they have other reward options that you can choose from. Walmart, all you need is 500 kicks, and 500 kicks is equivalent to $2 right here. So that's the minimum you can cash out with. And you see with those, I mean, they're giving you 25 kicks just for scanning the item, so you can really reach $2 no problem. But just showing you different things you can get. The minimum for different items will raise depending on what you're trying to get. But like I said, I'm just going to do the PayPal. It's 2,550 kicks, so I'm going to click on that. Redeem kicks. Now One more thing, you have to choose you have to verify your phone number. I'm going to do that real quick, so let me pause the video. Alright, so you see there, I verified my phone number. So now they're telling me that it's been sent to my PayPal. So I'm going to click done right here. And now I'm going to check my email and see if I actually got it. So go into my email real quick. Let me find that real quick. And here it is right there. Shopcake, $10. Just like that, instantly. Didn't even have to wait at all. So, I mean, the app is very cool, very easy to use. You just scanning barcodes, getting points, buying stuff, getting even more points. Cash out and get paid instantly. All right, very, very easy. You really can't beat apps that pay you instantly. So I really, really recommend this app to you. You see the proof, the instant proof in this video. So click on the link in the description, download it on your phone or your tablet or whatever it is. Start using this app and start making easy money today. And always remember, every penny counts.